Subcribe.
Disney Toys here, and today I'm bringing you another DIY Play-Doh popsicle. But this time we'll be making a Disney classic, the Chippendales. The most important ingredient is Play-Doh, so grab your Play-Doh cans. We'll need black, brown, and orange, white, cream, green, red, and blue. We'll also need something to cut with, a rolling pin, 2 popsicle sticks, a popsicle guide, and a cookie cutter with ridges. And of course we need Chippendale cookie cutters. For our first popsicle, I'll use orange for the inside. And then I'll roll it out with the rolling pin. We need it to be just big enough for the popsicle guide. Now we're going to lay the popsicle guide right on top and cut around it. And here's the inside of our first popsicle. For the outside of the popsicle, I'm going to be combining red and blue. But I'm not going to be mixing it together completely. We're going to roll it out in a little bit and then it'll be like a tie-dye effect. That looks pretty good. And now we'll use the outside of our cookie cutter to cut the shape of Chip's head. We'll lay it right on top of our orange popsicle. Next, I'll use my hands to mold all around the popsicle. I'll use the knife to cut off any excess Play-Doh. And now we're going to completely wrap the popsicle. And here's our first popsicle. I went ahead and made another one with the same process, except this time I have green in the center and blue and orange on the outside. Now I'm going to roll out some brown Play-Doh for Chip's head. We'll be using both parts of the cookie cutter this time. And there we have Chip. We'll place him right in the center of our popsicle. Next, I'll use some cream Play-Doh for the inside of his face. Again, we'll use both parts of the cookie cutter. Whoops, he's missing an ear. But don't worry, we're not going to be using that part anyway. I'm going to cut right around his eyes because we're only going to be using the bottom part. This is going to be his second fur color. We'll layer that up right on top. Nice! Now we're moving on to the white part right around his mouth. Again, use both parts of that cookie cutter. So this is where I'm going to freehand a little bit. I'm just going to cut off a small section around his mouth and nose. We'll lay that on top. And now I'm going to lay some white around his eyes, black for his nose, black for his pupil, and a little red for his mouth. And here we have Chip. Time to make his other half Dale. So Dale's a little bit lighter in color, so I'm going to mix the brown and the orange Play-Doh together. That looks pretty good. Now we'll roll it out. We'll be doing the same process as we did with Chip. Again, we'll use some cream for the inside of his face. Now for the white part. Time to add on the details. And here we have Dale. All that's left to do is add the popsicle stick. Yum! Here's our Dale popsicle. What flavor do you guys think this is? Now it's Chip's turn. And again, what flavor do you guys think this one is? It could be cherry and blueberry mixed together. Time to see what flavor's in the inside. Let's take a big pretend bite out of it. Ooh, I'm gonna go with an orange flavor. Now let's taste this one. Maybe it's a mint flavor in the inside. And here's our Chip and Dale popsicles. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And give this video a big thumbs up if you wish these popsicles were actually real. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.